Okay, looking at number 8 in 9.4, this is one of the tougher ones for many students. It talks about two planes that leave a certain place and then travel in the same direction. And the statement here, it says, what is the average speed of each plane? So that helps me decide. I'm going to let x equal the MP equals the MPH of the first plane. Okay, and then I'm going to let y equal the MPH, the miles per hour of the second plane, right? Now, similar to number 2, I want to get a relationship of their speed to write my first equation. So, relationship of speed. We know that one of the planes is faster than the other plane. So I like to start with this idea. I say, well, hey, are the two speeds equal to each other? No, they aren't. I know that one of the planes is faster. It says the first plane is traveling 2.5 times as fast as the second plane. So this plane is the faster plane. Now, instinct is for many students to put the 2.5 by this one because it's the faster plane. But this number is already bigger than this number. Okay, so I have to amplify this side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to amplify this side by 2.5 so I can use that equality sign. Okay. Now, next up, I'm going to think about if planes travel in the same direction. This right here would be the distance apart. Okay. And do I know the distance apart? Well, it says it's 1,144.5 miles, okay? But I have to have some other thoughts here about distance. Okay. Well, I know that if I take speed, rate times time, that equals distance. Okay. Rate times time. Okay, so let's see. The rate of the first plane is x, and it travels for 7 hours. It says they both travel for 7 hours. Now, I have this, which is the distance of plane 1. And then I have this, which is the distance of plane 2. And then I have to decide what sign to put between these. Well, it has to be a minus sign. And if you think about this a little bit, I'm going to draw a quick little picture here. But if somebody walked 10 miles this way, okay, and then somebody else started at the exact same spot and walked 7 miles, how far apart are those two people? Well, it would be the 10 miles minus the 7 miles, which would give you 3 miles apart. So that's why it has to be subtraction, because they're going in the same direction. Okay, so that's a little complicated and it'll take some practice. But do we know how far apart they are? Well, they are 1,144.5 miles apart after 7 hours. Okay. So what's my matrix look like? Be careful with this. The 1 for the x, okay, I'd have to move this 2.5 over to the left side, so it's negative 2.5. And then once I move that 2.5 over, I have 0. Then I have 7, negative 7, and 1,144.5. Be careful with the negatives on this problem. Okay. Once I perform a ref on this, I end up getting this 1, 0, 0, 1, 272.5, and 109. Okay, that's 272. And you can see this on your note packet also. Okay, so this is the faster plane or first plane or plane 1. And this is the slower plane or plane 2. All right, that's a tough problem. Takes some practice, okay? But work through it a couple times. You'll get the hang of it. Good luck. Thanks.